This is the Olentangy Nature Trail. It is 0.4 of a mile loop nature trail located on Olentangy River Road, about a half a mile north of Bethel Road, right behind the Columbus Police Department. So if you see the Columbus Police Department, you just pull in and park right out back here. And the trail is right here, easy to find. This is my first time walking, so we'll see what it has to offer. Looks like somebody made a little path going down that way. Might check it out, see what's down there. Looks like it can have some wet spots, especially after a rain. And if you don't have boots, it looks like there's really no way to tackle this but right through it. And I did not wear boots. It looks like it goes off over that way, so I want to see what's over here. I don't think there's anything living in there. You can definitely hear 315 in the near distance. Okay, so it looks like the grass stopped and now we're on the dirt part of the trail. It's beautiful back in here. little bench. Sit back here and watch the wildlife. Not gonna hear too much though with that road over there. Definitely some dense brush back in here. Okay, we'll see if we come back out there or not. It did say a loop, so we'll see what happens here. More water to walk through. Into the mud. This, I'll bet you the wooden bridge we just passed over a few minutes ago, I bet is this right here. The same waterway. You know what? If you love the outdoors and you love the woods, you got to take what goes with it. Okay, I can see the exit back up there. So it is a loop, but apparently it does not come back out the same place it comes in. But I can still see the police station, so we're still in the same spot. Actually, right there is where we went in, and right there is where we come out. Now I'm going to go back in and follow those other two trails that I saw and see where they go. we'll be back. Alright, here's the first one I saw when we're still on the grass part when we first came in. Let's follow this and see where it goes. It may not go anywhere actually. Whenever you go off trail, always make sure you watch for poison ivy. Which I do see poison ivy out here. I don't think this really goes anywhere. But it is beautiful down in here though. Alright, we're back here to this one now. We're going to go off and see where this one goes. Which looks like it splits up. Yeah, let's go to the right. It may also be just a loop. Can't go too far because the freeway is just right over here. This is really beautiful down through here. Just hate the noise. The trail goes off to the left here, and another one goes off to the right. We'll take the left because it may bring us back around to where we split off. One thing I like about some of these is I like the old fallen trees. It makes the woods really look authentic without them coming in and cutting it. Okay, this looks like a mess to try to get through. guess it wasn't too hard. I know it doesn't look like much of a trail, but trust me, if you're here to actually see it, you could see the trail. Now, let's see what we got here. See a fence here, which is probably there by the state. We've somewhat curved around in a loop, and we're heading back towards where we split off, and I expect that's where we will eventually come back out at. Actually, we came out here by the little bench. It was on the main trail. So we didn't come back out in the same spot, but still cool. This is the main part of the trail here again. Right here is where we originally took off. We're not gonna go I'm not gonna bother going back down. We went off to the right here. I'm not gonna bother going to this. I could almost bet this is gonna take us around, because I've seen another little trail coming there behind the bench. I'd be willing to bet that that's where this goes. Just comes up behind the bench. I wasn't gonna follow it, but I think it's so short that it's not gonna matter. And I was correct. There's the bench again. So it's a nice little hike down through here. Like I said, if you're ever down here on Olentangy River Road, just north of Bethel Road, check out the Olentangy Nature Trail. Haven't seen anybody else down here, but I imagine it's used here and there. In case you're wondering, no, I'm not on a trail. I'm just sort of like going through the woods. come across little paths now and then like this here. I don't know if it's created by people or animals. Yeah, I think I'm going through here. Yeah, I think not.